here we are with a walkthrough video. We are at the new house. Yay. See if I can spin this around. I don't think I can. Let me try this. Alright, so here is the garage. You will never see the garage this empty ever again. So we got 220 hookup over there. Shelves in the back. A little deep in the back there. All my tools and everything is going to go there. That's the view of the street. Got a nice basketball hoop there. This is the marsh next to the house. So we will look at that in the backyard. So let's take a walk inside. There's an attic up there. So here we go. Alright. This is the inside. This is like the entryway. The laundry room. Nice washer and dryer. Nice place for me to fold my clothes. This is going to have a cubby right here for coats and boots and whatnot. It's going to go there. Got a nice bulletin board here. Look how nice that is. Nice and clean. Very cool. And on the other side of the kitchen, this is the dining area, which I don't know where the light switch is, but we're going to learn that.
Right in front of you. Straight ahead of you.
Oh yeah, there it is. So this is the dining area. And then in here is the living room. Pellet stove. That's the backyard. And behind me is the kitchen and the front yard. So this is nice. Look how big and empty this is. See that out there? That's the Starlink satellite. Look at that. It's like UFO technology. Alright, so you got this big living room. And what do we have in the corner? Back here in the corner is the inner sanctum. This is going to be the office. I have to stop calling it the eBay office. It's just the office. But it's a nice room. I think it's about 8 by 10. Nice view of the backyard. Got the shed, the swing set, and the satellite dish. Yeah, nice yard. 2 acres. Rectangular. I don't know if you can see the pond back there. Zoom in and see that back there. Through the woods. Nice big closet. So this is going to be the office. This wall here is going to have, I think that's where all my goodies are going to be. And the desk will be there. Pretty sure. Alright. Big living room. Big empty living room. We'll go this way. Bathroom. This will be Delaney's room. Nice and empty. Very cute. And this will be Delaney's den and storage room. Non-conforming bedroom is just going to be a storeroom. Lots of closets. Utility room. Then we go down this way, the other end of the house. Around the corner. Oh, the master bedroom. Don't even know. That's a nice fan there. Nice big bedroom. Long. And then in here, you got the walk-in closet. I'm pretty sure there's lights in here. There we go. Nice closet, nice and big. And then we got the bathroom. Look at that, fancy sink. Fancy Dave. Very nice. Got your own little water closet. Yeah, pretty sweet. Oh, and this is the master bedroom. And we got sliders that go to this elevated patio thing. So we got these big Fred Flintstone rocks. So let's take a walk. Let's go outside. There we go. Big rocks. It's going to take some getting used to. Here we go, here we go. Yeah, cool. Gotta be careful to look for snakes. So anyways, that's the cable for the satellite. The exhaust for the pellet stove. So yeah, this is an interesting patio. It's all gravel, about 3 feet thick. These beautiful stones. Look at those stones. They're so cool. And there's the Elon Musk satellite dish. Pretty heavy duty. Yeah, it's heavy. I don't think that's going to get blown over anytime soon. So yeah, let's take a walk down here. Patio here, the blocks do have to be fixed, so the soil settled a little bit, but that's not a big deal. Easy to do. So yeah, got a nice little brick patio. You got the elevated patio. Got well water access there. Let's take a walk in the yard. Look at this. Let's go over to the side first. This used to be a deer blind in the previous owner. These are really pretty plants. Oh yeah, so this is a hookup for a hot tub. So there's the electrical. And you could put a hot tub right here on the slab if you wanted. Or a shed. Then you got this cement slab next to the garage for an RV if you were an RVer. So the previous owner took this deer blind and he converted it into a a playhouse for his kids. So it's got a net so they can safely climb up and down. It's got a little mailbox. So, you know, if you want, you could put a little note in there for your kids. Hang some bird feeders. It's got a little bucket on a rope and a rope there you can climb up there. It's really cool. It's wired for electricity. If you run an extension cord, you can plug it in. It's got lights. It's got little chairs inside. It's got a little deck around the back and a little door and window. It's kind of cool. These kids loved it. Back there is a marsh. I had to go on Google and look that up. What's the difference between a swamp and a marsh? So that is a marsh. It's not always full of water. Part of the year it is, part of the year it's not. So let's take a walk over here. He did say, unfortunately, previous owners used this marsh as a dump. So there will be some junk back there, like this old doghouse. There's a pallet of bricks he found. He did fill a dumpster full of stuff, car tires and a bunch of stuff like that. So we do got some cleanup to do in the spring, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. Looks like a cement slab here. Maybe there used to be a little shed there. I don't know. See all that crap there's gotta be. There's an old saw blade. What the heck? Yeah, that'll be a nice decoration in the garage. The swing set. Going around back here. Still a marsh. So the swing set's not bad. It's got a few years left. It's probably got 3 to 5 years left. It's a little shaky. Not bad. He did fix the swings. Put some new chains on there. Made it all nice. A couple boards missing here and there. Not too bad. But like I said, it's probably got a few years left on it. And then here's, this shed is huge. This is bigger than I thought. This is like 12 by 12. I thought it was smaller than that. Let's see. There we go. Gotta get it there. There we go. Nothing on the bottom. Yeah, nice size shed. Should be able to get the tractor in here. It's got nice shelves in there. Got some doors, some lumber. Everybody loves their lumber. Very cool. Very cool. Nice. Alright. Yeah, it's pretty much nothing. A little marshy. Looks like an old chicken coop behind the shed. Let's take a quick look. There's a view of the house from the back. La la la. Very beautiful out here. Okay, so this used to be chicken coop, rabbit coop, garden. Don't know that we're ever going to use it for that. Don't know. Property goes way back into the woods, which I'm not going to do. Oh, look at all this firewood. Looks a little rotted though. Yeah, some history here. Don't know all the history. But you can look back there. You can see the pond. And I'm not going to go too deep in the woods. I only got tennis shoes on. But yeah, a lot of cleanup in the future. Looks like an old fence. Barbed wire fence with some posts. Very interesting. Neighbor's house back there. And that just goes deep in there. Looks like they threw their old Christmas trees in there. There might even be a trail. I don't know. So that's the walking tour, walkthrough of the new house. Everything is empty and clean. I wanted to make a video because it'll never be that way again. So, yeah, that's about it. Very cool. October 5th. Got the keys 3 days early. Thank you, Randy. Very nice of him to do that. There you go. Alright guys, it's late at night. That was the walkthrough for the new house. Now I'm so tired. My back is killing me. Our house is about half unpacked. It looks like a flea market in there, but I am going to show you the eBay office, what it looks like so far. Alright, this is the eBay office. I can't show you the rest of the house because Mrs. Midwest would kill me. But this is a display case. I've never did this before in the eBay office, but this is something we got for free. So that's how I have it set up right now. I got some old school PC games on top. The Dancing Santa. He'll be in the eBay store for sure. Looky, what do we have here? Enoch is still in plastic wrap. I have not found a spot on the wall for Enoch yet. But yeah, this is, this is a disaster. This is my work from home corner. So I got the nice chair, 2 screens, blah, blah, blah. It's the window. This is new too for the eBay office. This is a 5-drawer filing cabinet. This thing is awesome. Got old paperwork, new paperwork, business paperwork, personal paperwork. The bottom is a junk drawer. It's got some inventory unlisted there. Inventory unlisted there. That's a sword. And the desk. This is my desk. It also doubles as a shipping station. It's going to look much better just in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to get it cleaned up in here. There's a personal note from Wendy. Office space. Yeah, and I got the laptop and the screen. I don't have my printer set up yet. Got the skull. Crystal Skull vodka. If you don't know what that is, look it up. Dan Aykroyd is the owner. Very smooth. Very nice if you're into vodka. There's a tote of crap. Boxes of crap. The closet is all shipping supplies. It'll be my padded mailers, my boxes. Some clothes will hang in there. It's twice as big as my old closet. A lot of eBay stuff is going to go in the garage. So anything, see I got my cubbies over here. Can't really see it well. Anything that's paper product or clothing or plush, anything that will absorb odors is going to have to be inside, which is climate controlled. Everything else, all the other inventory is going to be outside. So, you know, dumbbells and tools and car parts and just all glassware, things that doesn't absorb odors, will be in the garage. And I might show you the garage someday. It's pretty cool. So that's it, guys. This is the eBay office. It looks like a giant mess, but it will get better and better as the days go by. Every weekend is spent putting stuff away. And, you know, I still haven't found Joey. The box is even labeled Joey. He's not in here. He's not here. He's not under the desk. I don't know where he's at. He's probably in the garage, and he's probably not happy at all. He's going to be the last thing unpacked. Oh, well. So thanks, guys, for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. This is an unusual video. I typically do what's sold on eBay, sourcing videos, how-to videos. But people asked for a walkthrough, and so there you go. The new house walkthrough. The new eBay office. The walls are bare. I got permission to do whatever I want with the walls, and of course I'll be doing something soon. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.